just felt like doing, that's why I did. So it's not very good, not good also, but I'm satisfied because after a really, really long time, like after school, yeah, probably after school. So after a really long time, okay. The eyes is not matching, but one also. But I really liked what I did here, this part, and yeah. I was making a video on Instagram about just a like book review kind of a thing, and somehow I found out this series, and I just loved reading all three books. Right. So what I was doing is before like doing any review, what I usually do, the books I have read earlier, I just go through the books. I have always like pen or pencil. I have always marked the important lines or something I liked inside the book. So this three books are really important. Like where my first series, it was the first series I started reading, starting with the Sapiens, 21 Lessons in 21st Century. And the most amazing book which I liked in the series, probably there are a bunch of people who loved reading Sapiens and not 21st Century or Homo Deus, which is this one. But I would like to suggest to those people, can you please start reading Homo Deus right now and try to read a line and look around. It will be so freaking seriously like I can't explain what it talks inside. Like whatever it's inside this book, you will see it in like around you. It's so relatable. Not like it's not a self-help book. I'm not suggesting like that. Maybe I may be sounding like that, but it's I'll tell you what are the points inside. Then you'll understand probably. I've not remembered. I've jotted down the points also. So I'll tell you the points and you'll remember. It talks about AI automation, data surveillance, future society, human evolution, which is like you will find this all normal, right? I'm telling you, technology versus emotion, all of this etc. things. But the most important fact of reading all these books is the questions which you have, right? So the question it like gives you are what happens when human become almost godlike because of technology. First question. Second, will AI become smarter than humans? Third question. Can science depict aging and death someday? Fourth question. Will data and algorithm control our choices? Fifth question. What will happen to job, emotion, and relationship in future? Right, it was, and I was right. It was released in 2015, and like talking about all this crazy stuffs like AI replacing the jobs, then the human behaviors and algorithm changing everything is now so much relatable in this timeline, like 2026 or like 2013. It was 2023. It was like going on in a crazy wave, so it's really good. Like it may sound like a story book kind of a thing. I don't know, it doesn't, but still, for some people, they find that okay, let's read a story. Friction is all about story, and all of that shit. I had to use this word, but yeah. So for those people, if you just consider reading this one book, you'll understand how the topics are changing, how humans are changing from surviving to immortal immortality. Also, it's an open conversation about where the world will be next. And I would really, of course, recommending everyone to read it. And of course, I really want to give a very gist review on this book someday. Instagram reel won't cover all the spectrums, but on a YouTube long form video someday, I would really love to give this review. But I would really, really recommend everyone in the 20s, 30s, any age group, just go through it, read. if you read first 100 pages, you'll find interest. You will actually want to read it till the end. It has like 400 pages, but it will feel like you're having conversation with someone in depth and answering all your questions in a proper segmented way.